Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to use AR Ghost and Skeleton on iOS 14. If you search the word Halloween on Google, and you scroll down the search results page, you will see a box that prompts you to summon up a 3D ghost. Same if you Google the word skeleton, you will see a choice that will enable you to summon up 3D dancing skeleton. Tap on View in 3D, and you will be able to see a dancing skeleton. There are more choices, like jack-o'-lanterns, costumed cats and dogs. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.